everyone! So for today, we'll be working on the solution for problem set 6, which is hello. Just to give you a heads up that this will be a really short video. So for this problem set, what we need to do is to implement a program that prints out a simple greeting to the user. So basically, we should run python hello.py. Then the system should automatically ask the user for their name. When the user keys it in this case the name is David, the system should then respond with this greeting, which is hello, followed by the input that the user just keyed in. So before we move on, just want to say thank you for watching this video, and I'll greatly appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, so to preface this, do note that Python is actually quite different from C, which is what we've been doing for the past couple of weeks. So do watch the lecture videos and Google what you need to learn how to do it. There is definitely going to be some unlearning and learning to do, so just enjoy the process and slowly but surely, you'll get a hang of it. Okay, so the first step is to prompt the user for a name. So we'll probably need to ask the user the question and we'll label whatever the user key in as name. So in Python, it will be name equals to input, what is your name? So what this means is that it will take the input given in response to the question and label it as name. Next, we'll print the greeting with the user's name. So we'll print hello, comma space, and we will insert in the name. So let's put this in C. So as we mentioned, we'll use name equals to input, what is your name? Followed by print hello. So let's save and run this. So yep, it says what is your name? My name is Anvea. And it says hello Anvea. And yep, there you go. So that's actually all you really need to do for this particular problem set. And that will be all for this video. Do remember to like and subscribe, and let's move on to the next problem set of week 6.